This is an inverted yaw spin, one of the hardest FPV tricks there is, and I'm giving myself 24 hours to learn it. But first, let's rewind to when I had no idea this was even a thing. So I found this thread on Reddit, and it said right here that the inverted yaw spin is the hardest trick to learn. So I'm going to try to learn the inverted yaw spin. So I'm just going to find a video that will show me how to do it, and then I'll try it on the sim after that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go into Velocidrone, and I'm going to practice. Okay, now I've got it down from on the ground, but I need to start doing it from in the air. So I'm gonna fly up, try to get balance, and then hit it. Okay, so I finished practicing this. So on day 2, I'm gonna go out and try to hit it in real life, and we'll see if I can do it. Because it felt pretty easy on the sim, but I get the feeling it's gonna be kind of hard on real life. Okay, so here we are at the park. It's a little bit windy, but I think it should be okay. So I'm gonna just start getting my drone ready, and then I'm gonna fly and try to hit the trick. Okay, that takeoff was not amazing. Okay, I don't think the wind will be too much of a problem. Let's wait for it to die down a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to hit the trick. Ooh. That was not good. So here we go. Ready? Here we go. Okay, that time it worked. It wasn't super pretty, but it worked.